Ganga is the holy river and largest river in India. Its total river basin area is 8.6 lakh square km. Total length of the Ganga river is 2525 km, and in India its total length is 2071 km. Remaining part is in Bangladesh in about 450 km. Ganga river covers 5 states in India. 5 states which are Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. In West Bengal it has flows 510 km that belongs from Rajmahal Hill to its delta region. Now we have discussed the course of Ganga. Gomukh Gangotri Glacier in Uttarkasi district is in Uttarakhand state. Here in this part is Ganga called as Bhagirathi. Source of Ganga is in Kumaun Himalaya in Uttarakhand. Actually, its origin of Ganga is Gangotri Glacier, that's called Gomukh. The Bhagirathi initially flows in the southwest direction and through the Uttarkasi district. After reaching the town of Dharasu, the river flows in southeast and reach the town of Tehri. Here the Bhagirathi river held by the Tehri dam. It is the highest dam in India. Basically it is a hydroelectric power plant. The river continue flows to the southeast direction and reaching at Devprayag, where it meets the river Alakananda. The river Alakananda originates at Satopant Glacier and Bhagirathi Kharak Glacier. This glacier is the part of Greater Himalayas. The river initially flows to the southeast and after reaching the village of Mana, it turns south and reaches Badrinath. Then after flows about 20 to 25 km, it reaches at Vishnuprayag, where Alakananda meets Dhauli. Dhauli Ganga river, which is originated in Nanda Devi National Park. From Vishnuprayag, it flows towards southwest direction for about 40 to 45 km and reaches the town of Nandaprayag. From Nandaprayag, the Alakananda rivers continue to flow in southwest in about 15 km. It reaches the town of Karnaprayag. In this place, the Pindar river joins to it. From Karnaprayag, it flows takes to western direction. It meets the Mandakini river at Rudraprayag. It continues for about southwest direction 40 to 45 km. It met Bhagirathi in Devprayag. Devprayag. In this place, Alakananda plus Bhagirathi formed the Ganga river. This is place where Ganga river is born. Let's we start Panchprayag. Panchprayag. Vishnuprayag, Nandaprayag, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag and Devprayag. These are Panch Prayag. First Prayag is Vishnu Prayag, where Alakananda and Dholi Ganga meet. Then Nanda Prayag is second Prayag, where Alakananda and Nandakini. Third Prayag is Karna Prayag, where Alakananda meets Pindar river. Then fourth number Prayag is Rudra Prayag, where Alakananda and Mandakini meets. Then last Prayag is Dev Prayag, where Alakananda joins to Bhagirathi. And in this part, Alakananda plus Bhagirathi born Ganga river. The river Ganga flows from Devprayag towards southwest. Then it reaches the town of Rishikesh. Here it is enter the Shivalik Himalaya. Rishikesh is situated in Shivalik Himalaya, and it cut the Shivalik, then flows beside the Rajaji National Park and reaches the town of Haridwar. In about 20 to 25 km after reaches Haridwar, the river Ganga flows towards south for about 20 to 25 km through the Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh border. Then it enters the state of Uttar Pradesh. Here we discuss this part is Ganga's upper flow region. Now we discuss Madhya Ganga region. The Ganga river enter in Uttar Pradesh is in district of Bijnor. The river continues to flow south direction and then it turns to southeast direction and it reaches the city of Kanpur. Then it continues to flow southeastern direction. In about 200 km, the river reaches the city of Prayagraj, where held Mahakumbh Mela. It takes after every 12 years. In this place we find the three rivers meets Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. But we only see the Ganga and Jamuna. That called Triveni Sangam. People say about Saraswati river not see in this place because it is in underground flows, or many people says it flows once a time, but present it lost its flows. It is also the holy place of Hinduism. Then the river Ganga flows southeast and reaches the town of Mirzapur, then Varanasi for about 60 to 65 km. Then it reaches the Gazipur, and after Gazipur it flows through UP and Bihar border in about 100 km. And finally it enters the district of Bihar. And then it flows towards eastern direction and reaches the town of Patna. And after that the Ganga south east and enter the Jharkhand state. In the northeastern border of Jharkhand for about 70 to 75 km. Then Ganga enters the West Bengal near Rajmahal Hill and then flows southeasterly direction, and it divided into two parts near the town of Farakka. One stream uh, known as Padda, it flows through Bangladesh, and another is Bhagirathi Hooghly. This Bhagirathi Hooghly river in southern direction flows in West Bengal. This river passes the town Nabadip, Murshidabad and Kolkata. After that it reaches the city of Haldia in West Bengal, which is the part of Mednipur district, and finally the Hooghly river empties into the Bay of Bengal and formed a great delta, and it is known as Sundarban. So we find that Ganga originates from Gomukh and empties in Bay of Bengal, and total length is 2,525 km. And we discuss the full details course of Ganga. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like the bell icon. Thank you.